So next we'll try and solve this problem of bearing. A line AB has a bearing of 108 degree 25 minutes. Angle ABC has a value of 130 degree 30 minutes 11 seconds. So we need to find the bearing of BC. So first of all, we need to draw the problem. Okay. So line AB has a bearing of 108 degree 25 minutes. So first of all, we will draw a line which has a bearing of 108 degree. So this is north direction, this is south, east, west. So as we can see, these angles given in this problem are given in WCB method because there is no direction mentioned, and the angles are also greater than 90 degrees. So this is definitely given in WCB method. So we have to draw this 108 degree 25 minute in WCB method. So we know in WCB method we measure the angles only in clockwise direction. So in clockwise direction, if we try to draw an angle of 108 degree with respect to north direction, then it will come up to this point. It is 90. So 108 will come somewhere here. So this is your line. So if this is point A, then this is your point B. This is your line AB, and this is the bearing 108 degree and 25 minutes. So this is your line AB, which is making an angle of 108 degree 25 minutes with the north direction in clockwise direction. Okay. So this is point B. Let us draw the directions first. Okay. This is point B. This is again north, south. Okay. So there is another point C, and angle ABC is given. So angle ABC is 130 degree 30 minute 11 second. So if this goes like this, then this angle has a value of 130 degree 30 minute 11 seconds. Single dash for minute, double dash for seconds. Okay. So here we have got the point C. Let me recap it. Line AB has a bearing of 108 degree 25 minutes. Angle ABC has a value of 130 degree 30 minute 130 degree 30 minute 11 seconds. Okay. Let me extend this line. This is the north direction. Okay. So this is the scenario. According to the question, we need to find out the bearing of BC. Bearing of this line we need to find out. And again, we are dealing with WCB method. Then what will be the bearing in this case? The line BC makes whatever angle with the north direction in clockwise direction is the bearing. So this is the north direction and this is the line BC. So the angle between the north direction and the line BC measured in clockwise direction will be the bearing. So this is clockwise direction. We are starting from the north, and this is clockwise direction. Here we come up to the line BC. So this angle is the bearing of line BC. We need to find out this angle. Okay. So if you look at the drawing carefully, our main goal is to find out this angle. But from this point to this point, we know the value of this angle. From this point to this point is 180 degree. So all we need to do is we find out this angle and make it plus with 180 degree, and we will get the bearing. So our main goal at this moment is to find out this angle only. Okay. Now if we look at this drawing carefully, we will know that these lines are parallel because they are representing the same direction, north and south, north and south, north and south. So these lines are parallel. Okay. So this angle, according to the property of parallel lines, this angle will be equal to this angle. Clear? This angle will be equal to this angle because both these lines are parallel. So what is this angle? What is this angle? Can we find out angle SAB? Yes, we can. Angle SAB will be equal to, this whole angle is 180 degree and this one is 108 degree 25 minutes. So 180 degrees minus 108 degree, sorry, let me erase this, 108 degree 25 minutes. Okay, so I will show you how to calculate this in your calculator. This is the degree minute second button. Okay, 180 degrees minus 108 degree 25, again you press this minutes. If you press this second time, then it will represent minutes. If you press it for the third time, then it will represent seconds. So as you can see, 180 degrees minus 18 degree 25 minutes, 71 degree 35 minutes is your answer. So angle SAB is found out to be 71 degree 35 minutes. So this is 71 degree 35 minutes. So this angle is also 71 degree 35 minutes. Okay, but we know this whole angle, so we can easily find out this angle because we know this. So what will be angle NBC? So let us try and find out. Angle NBC is equal to 130 degree 30 minutes 11 seconds. 130 degree 30 minutes 11 seconds minus 71 degree 35 minutes. Minus 71 degree 35 minutes. So what is given here? 130 degree 30 minutes 11 seconds minus 71 degree 35 minutes. This is a 58 degree 55 minutes 11 seconds. 58 degree 55 minutes 11 seconds. Okay, so 58 degree 55 minutes and 11 seconds. So this angle we have got, this angle we have got, and this angle is equal to this angle. Angle NBC will be equal to this angle because these two lines are also parallel. So this angle is equal to this angle, only this much. This is equal to this is because both these lines are parallel. So this angle, suppose this is south direction. So this angle BC as we know. So angle BCS is also equal to 58 degree 55 minutes and 11 seconds. Okay, so if we know this angle, then we just need to add 180 degree with this to get the whole bearing, because we need this whole angle. We know up to this point, from here to here it is 180, and now we know this angle also. So all we need to do is 180 plus this angle, then we will get the bearing. Okay, so bearing of BC is equal to 180 degree plus 58 degree 55 minutes 11 seconds. Okay, and the result comes out to be 238 degree 55 minutes 11 seconds. That means this whole angle comes out to be how much? 238 degree 55 minutes 11 seconds, this whole angle, and this is the bearing of this line BC. Okay.